Come with us today as we talk sheep, hay, and how we take care of them throughout the winter.
All right, girls, why are we tying up the horses?
So they don't cause a ruckus when we collect the sheep?
Because it's sheep harvest day. Get them all loaded up in the trailer. But the horses like to come when we call the sheep because they know there's treats involved, right? Yep. So we're gonna go tie them up out back. So let's go take them back to the park area. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Okay, take two, let's see. The only thing I want you to do is block so they don't try to jump the fence. Hold on, he's got him, stop, he's got him. William, you're gonna have to run really quick if they all go in and shut that gate. Wait, let them all cross the corner and then go. Oh, so close. That's okay, it's just a mama. She can go. They can jump high. Okay. We're all getting a workout today. I'm huffing and puffing. Hands high in the air, guys. Okay? This is where we have all the sheep up in the barn, and now we're gonna separate the boys out, the males out. Jesse, you stay there. Don't let him jump. Will, you stay there, and Elise, you hold the gate.
Daddy, we're keeping Lazarus, Mom said.
Boy number one.
Hold this. Boy number one.
You're fine, William.
Do they need food in there, or you got food? Using the shepherd's hook to not hurt the sheep, and just, it's a way to catch their legs up so they can't run. Yeah, we're gonna separate them so the rest of the sheep can be at peace and be out.
You want me going there and open the
One
door?
down.
I need to go.
Julianne, if they start to jump, huh?
Don't let them get out.
Okay, number two. Jesse, don't let the other boy out. William, go in with Jesse.
Oh, that one's
The boys doing their work.
Brownie boy.
He will. I just don't want the other boys to get out when Daddy's trying to put a new one in.
Stay big, stay big.
Hands up, hands up. Don't let him jump up. Back.
That one's got its neck stuck.
Oh, that was a little girl.
We don't want them jumping. They can jump this high if they try. Okay, is that number three?
Get it.
Number three in. Good.
That's not boy.
That one, there's two in the back.
Marie, you watching her?
Okay.
The sheep don't like being separated from each other, so they... Okay, got it. Number four.
That's the strong one. He looks
All right.
pregnant.
He's just muscly.
Oh, he's got horns going.
Oh, he does got horns.
Okay, Elise, you holding it tight on your side there, babe? Do you want William?
Nope.
Okay.
Jesse, hold this.
It's okay. It's okay. Open it. Don't let any guys out.
They're all back there.
Good. Okay, that's four. We got what? Two more to go?
Yep.
Okay. You can do it, Daddy.
Woo! Is that boy? No. Is that boy? No, that's not the boy.
Stand big. Stand big. They're jumping.
That was a big boy down right there.
Back.
There we go.
Back. Back. Okay, you guys watch out. Let them all shoot back. Is this number 5? Okay, watch out. Watch out.
Hold this. He kicks.
He's strong. Oh my goodness. William, grab the neck. Good job.
May I grab both
Good
legs?
boy. Oh my. Maybe we're at 5.
I thought we had 6.
No, we had 6. I counted them twice.
Well, it's hard to count them when they're all moving and stuff.
No, they're all
All
like
right,
this.
push them back gently now. Come on. Let's just double check here.
Jesse, keep doing your job, bud. Doing a good job, buddy. Okay, so 5 it is.
All right, so our final count's gonna be 5. I think we're counting 6 with our head ram, which is
Keep it closed, guys.
So we cut this
Section.
We cut the girls from the boys separate, and our breeding flock is here, and a lot of them are already actually pregnant. So
Yeah, and they so a lot of them have already been here. We had
Yeah.
but we had a good turnout of females for lambs this year.
Yeah,
Okay,
so we
so
have-
now what are we doing next with all the mamas
So we're
and
gonna let
Lazarus
all
or
of
ram?
this one go back out to the pasture,
Okay,
and then we're going to individually take the boys and load them into the trailer so that they can be ready to go for tomorrow morning. So they'll have food and water and everything in the trailer.
for the butcher. So it's not. We want them to be calm going into the butcher and get this all done today, so they have a rest
Yeah.
in the trailer.
Don't push them at all. 1,
No, it's
2, 3,
Elise, you gotta watch him, baby.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20 plus less. So there's 20 girls plus 1 boy. Yep. 21 total. Plus those 2 fainting goats.
So it should be a good lambing
landing year,
season. Yeah, because we
Yeah,
got.
because most of them deliver twins.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So let's
Okay,
start.
so let's get the boys in the trailer. Okay, Will's gonna close it right up.
No, you can't get out.
All right.
Dad, can I hook one up though?
Hold on, William. Do you want help or no? Okay. They're a little stubborn.
I don't want to get kicked.
You won't get kicked. It's not a cow.
I know. If they're sheep, we kick.
All right, take 2.
I'll try this way once.
Just see if he'll walk backwards. He's a big boy. Oh, daddy. Do you want Marie to help you?
Sure, you can grab the head. Just get his head pulled back to you.
Good. Up you go. Okay, good. Elise.
All right.
Okay, that's 2 down. 3 to go.
No, have to be 5.
There's 5 total. We've done 2, so you got to do 5 minus 2 is 3. It's like a wrestling match in there.
Like the belt. The belt.
Oh, daddy, you got his leg? Okay, Marie. Grab it quickly.
There we go.
Strong by will.
Turn back.
Good boy. Grab his neck. Good boy.
All right, go ahead.
It's bystander. Jesse got hooked by the shepherd's hook.
Grab his head. Turn back in.
Joel, is you available in case he gets squirrely? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay. Good. Okay. Final? One more. Daddy's getting his exercise for the day. What do you want people to grab?
Head.
Do you, Will? Do you? Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Good job, guys. Good job, you guys. That went extremely smoothly.
Work back instead of walking across.
What do you think? Hard work? What's your job in there?
I drag one.
Are you a hay pusher?
Dragging it? Hay pusher?
My job is sitting. Yeah.
Supervise. That's called supervising.
One of the questions we often get asked is, why do we have sheep? One of those reasons is we have them for maintenance of the property. We've moved onto the property roughly 3 years ago. Shortly after that, we obtained the sheep, and at that point in time, we realized that they did a phenomenal job at pushing back brush and converting grass into meat. That's the second thing, is meat. They are a grass-fed, 100% grass-fed meat that we have on the farm here. They provide us with a great quality of meat, and we know that the production that is behind it is 100% grass-fed, so that's a huge added benefit that we see at the farm here of having the grass-fed lamb. So when it comes to sheep and caring for animals throughout the winter, the other thing you have to take into consideration is hay, food. And one of the things that we average out is that there's between 150 to 180 days of grass needs for the animal throughout the winter. And the way that this is provided to them is in the way of hay that we get off site. We have chosen to bring hay from off the property onto the property to feed them because it adds many benefits for us on the farm here. First of all, we're not producing hay on the farm here and mining our minerals, taking them out of the ground and shipping them off to another farm. We're actually doing the opposite. We're bringing hay in from other farms, which brings in vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to the property. The animals consume it, and then their feces goes back into the ground and adds that value back into our land. The other thing that we do is we do bale grazings, which means that we rotate our round bales and our square bales of hay throughout the year. That gives us the ability to not have one big muddy area, and it also gives us the ability to spread the hay and the byproduct of the hay out on the property, causing the animals to move around the property, spread the wasted hay onto the ground, and to then defecate and urinate on the land in different areas so that it's spreading those minerals and nutrients out onto the property. One of the advantages of sheep is that they're small. Most people start off in the world of chickens and things of that nature when they first get into farming, but the next progression would be into the goats or sheep. They aren't something big to manage, such as a beef steer or cattle or things of that nature. So having sheep on the property gave us the initial step of learning how to manage a ruminant, dealing with their feed requirements, dealing with the rotational requirements of the land management, and just seeing how to handle the next size animal. So they are a good natural progression. If you're looking at getting into farming or homesteading, having sheep or goats it's a good step. They serve a purpose on the property to clean it up. They're very resourceful at gathering food on the property. And another attribute of the sheep that we like a lot is that they reproduce well. We have a ram with the flock. Procreation takes place naturally, and we usually have lambs throughout the early winter months of December, January, February. And the lambing process has gone well for us. The Katahdin hair sheep are known for being phenomenal mothers and caring for their young. We have them out in the back pasture area. They have a three-sided structure that they're in that has an open front facing to the south, and that gives them adequate wind protection, and the sun is able to get in there throughout the winter to keep them warm. So over the last couple of days, we've been getting things ready for winter. One of the things is reducing the flock size, and that means taking some of the rams in to be butchered. We have the male lambs that we usually butcher them before the first year, and that way that they're still a young animal, they have a lot of good quality meat. So that was one of the things that took place today, is we rounded up the animals and got them sent off to the butcher, and they will be a great meat source for us throughout the year. Another huge thing that we have to have thanks to is our farm friends. We have local farmers in the area that they are more than happy to help out with getting hay onto the property here for the winter time, and then having an animal trailer for us to get the lambs off to the butcher. This would be an example of hay that's been put up well. Our hay guy does a really good job. You can see how green it is. Doesn't have any weeds in it. So this is what you're looking for when you're getting hay for your animals, especially horses. Sheep and goats and cows are a little bit more tolerable of less than desirable hay. Horses are a little pickier though, but they will eat it.
Hey, sweetie. You got a little, just a little something, just a
smudge?
just a smudge,
Okay.
a little smudging of your stuff.
Snowing.
My hands are freezing.
Okay.